Welcome to the IOCOM video training series. In this first video, we'll be walking through the download, installation, and setup of your IOCOM software. In just a few minutes, you'll be on your way to true IOCOM visual communication. To begin, we need to have a few things ready. A compatible camera, such as this standard webcam, an audio device with a speaker and microphone, like a headset or an echo-canceling speaker mic, your software license key, and your username and password to the IG Unified Collaboration Server, or UCS, that you'll be using. Make sure the camera and audio device have been installed according to the manufacturer's instructions and are connected to your computer before we begin. Once you're ready, go ahead and open a web browser. The latest release can be found in the software directory of your UCS. So enter your UCS address, I'll use igmeeting.insource.net, and then add /software. Be ready to enter your username and password. When you see the IOCOM software download page, click Download. Read through the license agreement that appears and click OK. I recommend saving the installer to the desktop just in case you need it again later. When the download finishes, go ahead and close the browser. Find the installer on the desktop and double-click the file to launch it. If you see some Windows alerts or previous version warnings, go ahead and click through those. Make sure to read each page of the installer carefully, changing the default settings if needed, clicking Next to proceed. The software takes just a few moments to install. At the end of the software installation, you will be prompted for your license key. Enter the key and click Get License. If the install was successful, the configuration wizard will launch and guide you through the setup. The configuration wizard is very straightforward. Enter a name for your node. This is how you'll appear to others in a meeting, so we recommend using your name or location. Then enter your UCS, and finally, your username and password. Click Next. Here you should see your camera listed. Let's give our camera a name. If you have a conference room system with a controllable camera, you will be able to set its control ID here. On the next page, find and select your headset or other audio device from the drop-down lists. The next 3 pages allow you to test your audio and make sure the device is set up properly and that the volume levels are tuned appropriately. When you finish the configuration wizard, the IG software will launch, and you'll see a blue and gold IG icon in the taskbar in the lower right corner of your screen. There may be an installation window left on the desktop. You can close it now. If at any time you do not see the IG icon in your taskbar, you can relaunch it from the Start menu under All Programs, In-Source Video Collaboration. If you see an icon with a red slash or exclamation point across it, check to make sure your network is working and configure it to allow the IG application to function properly. You can also look to our support website for more information. You now have the IG software installed and configured, and in our next video, we'll join our first meeting. You can see that video and all of our other training material at iocom.com.